Aishi back in here with another video. And as you know, it's exam season. So I was just taking my exam, but then I look over. Someone copied me. So when the teacher will take in tests, she knows someone copied someone, but then she wouldn't know who wrote it first. So she would know someone copied someone, but she didn't know who copied who. So the solution to this is that what if there was these little cameras that the children couldn't see, so they can't easily just take it out, and then when someone just leans over to copy someone, well then the teacher's phone will beep and tell exactly who copied who. So then that person would get in trouble. And I know you may not like this unique thought, but it's for the best of us. And if you haven't already guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by looking around, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.